everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to up your design skills with Canva, you are at the right place. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you 10 Canva tips and tricks that will help you to design like a pro. So without further delay, let's get started. First up, keyboard shortcuts. Did you know Canva has a tons of keyboard shortcuts that will save you a lot of time for doing this works. So Canva, for example, we take a text box in a design. So we'll go to elements or text field, then edit. You can do it by pressing only T. Did you know it? The second one is you can press command plus T or control plus D to duplicate your element or duplicate your design. So these are so stupidity. So next, grid and frames. Want to create perfect photo collage or balanced layout? Grids are the best friend. Just click on the element tab, search for grids and drag onto your design. Then simply drag and drop your image into each section to create a clean, organized look. Next one. So just started with animations. Canva allow you to animate your all elements and it's super easy. Select the element you want to animate, click the animate in the top menu and choose from the variety of elements like fade, rise or temple. This is great for adding some moments in social media posts or presentations. It will help you a lot. Want to know fourth? So it's just a templates. Canva has tons of templates and they are starting points at any design project. But don't forget, you can customize these templates, but try to create by your own design. Just take idea from the templates and use your dimag for designing your creativity. It will help you a lot to create more trendy post and engaging. So want to know fifth? Stop. Tip number 5 is all about layering elements. If you want an image or to be shaped in front or behind any other element, just select the element, right click, use the position tool. You can bring forward, backward, right, left, front, back. So it will help you a lot to create a design in which you want to put some elements at the backward and your face on the frontward. Want to know fourth? Next. Ever needed a color palette for your brand? Choose a color picker tool and just pick the color you want to add your design from your brand. Just add in your brand and boom. Now here's a game changer. Magic resize. Canva Pro users can resize their designs in just one click. Simply click on the resize in the top menu. Choose the dimension of other platform like Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. Canva will automatically adjust your design to fit. So it's super easy. Why can't you try it? Want to next more? So are you using font that's unique to your brand? So Canva Pro allows you to upload your own fonts. Just go to brand kits, load up font and select a font from your computer to your Canva. This way you can keep your branding consistent and clear. Why don't you use it? बात करते हैं 9th की. So if you are looking to streamline your streaming, your social media post, Canva Content Planner is a great tool. You can schedule and plan your post directly from Canva. Just click on the Content Planner tab, choose your date and time, and Canva will post it for you on the time. It's like having a personal assistant for your content creator. So it's very great tool. Just go and use it. Next, but not the least, 10th की बात करते हैं. And lastly, if you are looking with a team, Canva makes it easy to collaborate. Just click, share, and invite your team members to edit your design from real-time image. This is perfect for group projects, whether it's creating marketing material, social media posts, or presentations. So just use it. Collaborate with your team members. Just share your designs and use some their minds. Why you use your mind only? Okay. So there you have it. These are my top 10 tips and tricks that will create stunning designs faster or more efficient. I hope found these helpful. Let me know in the comment section which one tool is your favorite and which one tool is you use for your designs and sharing with your all social medias. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन कीप लर्निंग, कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग. बाय बाय.